Naman, usual naman yan sa pre-trial, yung mga ganyang pagkatalo. So, and we were able to settle it naman. So, I think it was a good morning session. At least we found ways para ma-expedite yung proceedings. As you know, mabilis na, nasa marking na tayo ngayon. So, yung mga stipulations, etc. Gagawin na lang kasulatan. No? So, we will just submit yung aming mga observations sa proposed stipulations. So, we will admit what we will not admit. So, I think it was a good session. Hindi naman nagkainitan. Siyempre, normal naman yan sa trial. So, lalo na sa pre-trial, normal naman yan. May mga disagreements. But even then, I think it was good because we were both parties. We were able to settle differences. At para mapadali, yan naman ang gusto natin lahat.
Anong context? Reason bakit po kayo nagpunta doon sa Road to One?
Yun lang, just to discuss kung paano namin mas mapapadali yung pre-trial para wala namang. Kasi kung magko-comment about parties, tatagal lang, diba? So, we just really agreed that we found parang siguro a way, no? Para mapabilis yung magiging conduct ng pre-trial. At ngayon nga, nag-move na tayo sa proseso, no? We're moving forward. So, I think we have an afternoon session for the March.
Anong context na to? About the evidence? May nagkaroon?
Hindi, wala. Nothing about the evidence. Nothing about the evidence. It was, we just wanted to find a way para mapabilis yung proposed stipulations, etc.
Last na lang, do you think how long itong magiging po?
Hindi natin alam. It will depend kasi ngayon naman marking na tayo ng documents So it will just depend on the volume of documents pagdating sa marking.
Okay.